Unit of angle is degree and radian. We already talked about degree and radian, and we also talked about some smaller units that we can use in place of or in addition to degrees, which are minutes and seconds. So let's consider an example. So the example is convert 100.42 degrees in degrees, minutes, and seconds. So as you can see, the question is given in degree, and what we need to do, we need to convert that angle, which is 102.42 degrees, in degrees, minutes, and seconds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write what we already know. As you know, the angle, I'm going to consider this angle. So it is given that the angle theta is, this angle is my angle theta is 102.42 degrees. Now, we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, we already know this conversion. So, what we need to do, we need to convert this angle, which is given in degrees, in terms of degree, minutes, and seconds. So, let's start. So, as we can see, my angle is given as theta is 102.42 degrees. If I want to rewrite this angle, I can write 102 degree plus 0.42 degrees. All right. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simplify this one further. So as you can see, my first angle is 102 degrees, which is a whole number. But my second angle is 0.42, right? Which is basically a decimal. So I can write 0.42 times 1 degree. Alright? So basically, if you multiply something times 1, it's the same number. And that's what I'm doing. Instead of writing 0.42 degrees, I'm writing 0.42 times 1 degree, because that is basically the multiplication of these two numbers. Now, we all know that 1 degree is 60 minutes. So for this 1 degree, I'm going to substitute by 60 minutes. So I will write, this is equal to 102 degrees plus 0.42 times 60 minutes. Now let's multiply. So if I simplify further, I will get this one as 102 degree plus, this is basically what? 0.42 times 60. You can use a calculator or we can multiply right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply 0.42 by 60. So I have 6 times is 2. And I got 0.252 with a decimal. Since this one is minute, so I got my minute. So basically, when I simplify this thing right here, what will I get? I will get 25.2 minutes, right? Or I should write 20 minutes. So 25.20 minutes. Now let's simplify further. So I'm going to write it here, and I will write 102 degrees plus 25.2 minutes, or I should write 25.20 minutes. I'm going to rewrite this whole thing, so I will write 102 degrees plus 25 minutes plus, I'm going to separate this decimal from 25.2, so I can write this one as 0.20 minutes. I'm going to rewrite this again, and basically this is my angle theta. That's keep coming. So theta is 102 degrees plus 25 minutes plus this is basically 0.20 times 1 minute, right? And look at this, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So I'm going to substitute this minute, 1 minute, by 60 seconds. So I will write theta is equal to 102 degrees plus 25 minutes plus 0.20 times 1 minute is 60 seconds. Alright? Now, let's simplify further, and if we do that, we will get theta is equal to 102 degrees plus 25 minutes plus 0.20 times 60 is 12, and my unit is right here, second. So I got 12 seconds. So if I combine degree, minute and second, how can I write? I can write theta is equal to 102 degrees, 25 minutes and 12 seconds, right? Which means what? If you look closely, this is my angle. So basically that angle 102.42 degrees can be written as 102 degrees, 25 minutes and 12 seconds. So these two numbers are basically the same. Only difference is the first number, this one, the question that is given, is written in terms of degree, but the one that we converted is written in terms of degrees, minutes and seconds. And this is how we will convert any question given in degrees into degrees, minutes and seconds.